Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Math e-Learning, and today we will learn about exercise 1.4. In this exercise you will learn about division of integers, and first we learn question number 1. Question number 1 is evaluate each of the following. That means we need to find value of each of the following. First is minus 30 divided by 10. And first we recall the rules of division of integers. Whenever you have one of the integer from these two is negative, then your answer will be always negative. Whenever you have both integers negative, then your answer will be positive. So remember these two rules only. Whenever one of the integer is negative, then your answer is negative. Whenever both integers are negative in division, then your answer is positive. And we know that whenever both of the integers are positive, then answer is always positive, right? Now we solve this. Minus 30 divided by 10, and we know that 10 threes are 30, right? So answer is minus 3. Next is 50 divided by minus 5. First of all we divide this 50 by 5, and 5 tens are 50, so we get the answer 10. But here one of the integers is negative, so answer is minus 10. Next is minus 36 divided minus 9. Here we have both integers negative, so our answer will be positive. Now we do division of this 36 divided by 9. And we know that 9 fours are 36, so answer is 4. Next is minus 49 divided by 49. Here one of the integers is negative, so answer is negative, and we know that 49 divided by 49 is equal to 1, because 49 ones are 49. And answer is minus 1. Next is, it is something different, and here two numbers are written in the brackets. So first of all we did this 13 divided by into the brackets minus 2 plus 1, and as per Bodmas rule, first of all we solve these brackets, right? So here we have minus 2 plus 1, and we know that minus plus minus, so we have to do subtraction. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and sign of greater number, which is minus. So answer of this only is minus 1. So we keep this 13 divided by sign as it is, and answer of this brackets is minus 1. Now we divide 13 by minus 1, and we know that whenever one of the integers is negative, then our answer is negative. And 13 ones are 13, so answer is minus 13. Next is 0 divided by minus 12 is equal to what? And we know that whenever we divide 0 by any numbers, then we always have 0 as answer, right? So answer of this division is 0. Next is minus 31 divided by into the brackets minus 30 plus minus 1. So first of all we solve the brackets, and here we have minus 30 plus minus 1. We know that minus minus becomes plus, so we need to do addition of this. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31, and sign of greater number, which is negative, so we get the answer of this only is minus 31. Now we write minus 31 and division sign as it is, and answer of this brackets is minus 31. Now we have minus 31 divided by minus 31. We know that 31 ones are 31. So by doing this division, we have the answer 1. And here we have both the integers negative. So answer is positive. Next is into the brackets minus 36 divided by 12 divide by 3. So first we solve these brackets and here it is minus 36 divided by 12. So we know that 12 3s are 36, right? So here we get the answer 3. But one of the integers is negative, so answer is negative. So by solving these brackets, we have the answer minus 3. Then after we write division sign and 3 as it is, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. But here in this division we have one integer negative. So answer is minus 1. Next is minus 6 plus 5. Here it is given in one brackets, then after division sign, and in another brackets we have minus 2 plus 1. And as per board mass, we know that we need to solve brackets first. So first we solve the first brackets, and here it is minus 6 plus 5, and we know that minus plus minus, so we need to do subtraction. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and sign of greater number, which is minus. So here we have the answer of this only, minus 1. Now we solve another brackets. Again minus plus minus, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and sign of greater number, which is minus. So it is also minus 1. Now we write answer of this minus 1 and answer of this minus 1, and we write this division sign as it is. Now if we divide minus 1 by minus 1, then we know that minus 1 ones are minus 1. So answer is 1. Here we have both integers negative, so answer is positive, because this negative sign also will be cancelled, right, in division process. Question number 2 is verify that a divided by into the brackets b plus c does not equal to into the brackets a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. And here we have the values of a is equal to 12, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 2. So first of all we need to solve this left hand side with the values of this ABC, and then after we will solve this right hand side equation using the same values. Then after we will compare whether the left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. If they are not equal, then this condition will be satisfied, right? So here we check that left hand side first, and here it is a divided by into the brackets b plus c. So we substitute the values of 12, minus 4 and 2 here in this equation. So what is the value of a? It is 12. Then division sign as it is. Then after, what is the value of b? It is minus 4 plus value of c is equal to 2. Now we solve this equation. So as per board mass, first we need to solve brackets. So here it is minus 4 plus 2, minus plus minus. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and sign of greater number is negative, so it is minus 2. Now 12 divided by as it is and minus 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And here we have one of the integers negative, so answer is negative. So we have the answer of this left hand side minus 6. Now we substitute the values of a, b, c in right hand side equation. And right hand side equation is equal to into the brackets a divided by b plus into the brackets a divided by c. And we have the values of a and b as 12 and minus 4, and value of a and c is equal to 12 and 2. And first of all we solve these brackets, and we have 12 divided by minus 4. So here we know that 4 3s are 12. So answer is minus 3. Now we solve these brackets. 12 divided by 2. And we know that 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6 here. Now we need to do addition here. So we know that minus plus minus. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And sign of greater number is positive. So it is positive 3. Now we compare left hand side and right hand side. We have left hand side minus 6. We have solved previously. And here we have right hand side 3. We check that both are equal or not, right? So here both are not equal. So we can say that left hand side does not equal to right hand side. That means these given values are verified for this particular equation. Okay. Now we solve the next. Here we have the values of a is equal to minus 10, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. And first we solve left hand side, and here it is a divided by into the brackets b plus c. We substitute these values in this equation, and value of a is equal to minus 10 divided by, as it is, value of b is equal to 1 and value of c is equal to 1. Now we write minus 10 and division sign as it is, because we know that first of all we need to solve the brackets. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5, because 2 5s are 10. That is why we have here the answer minus 5. Now we solve right hand side, and right hand side is equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Again we put the values of a, b, c here, and first we solve the first brackets, and here it is minus 10 divided by 1, and we know that 10 ones are 10. So answer is minus 10. Then after we solve this again, and it is the same, that's why the answer is also same. Now minus 10 plus minus 10. So we know that minus minus becomes plus. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, and sign of greater number, you can take anyone, right? So sign of this number is minus. So answer is minus 20. Now we compare left hand side and right hand side. Here we have left hand side answer minus 5 and right hand side equation answer is minus 20, and both are not equal. So we can say that left hand side does not equal to right hand side. That's why these values are verified for this given equation. Let's learn question number 3. It is about fill in the blanks. First is 369 divided by what is equal to 369. Before solving this blanks, we recall the rules of division. If we have one of the integers negative, then our answer should be negative And if we have both integers negative, then our answer is positive. Okay, so these rules will be helpful to solve this exercise. And first is 369. Divide by what is equal to 369? So it is 1. We know that 369 divided by 1 is equal to 369. Then second is minus 75 divided by what is equal to minus 1. So whenever we divide the number by itself, then we have the answer is equal to 1, right? But here we have the sign of 75 is minus, and we know that whenever one of the integers of division is negative, then our answer is negative. So we have to take this number as positive, right? So answer of this is 75. Again I am telling you, whenever we have one of the integers negative, then our answer is negative. So this should be positive, right? C is minus 206 divided by what is equal to 1. So we know that whenever we divide the number by itself, then we have the answer 1, right? And here we have this number negative, but the answer is positive. So we know that whenever two integers of division are negative, then answer is positive. So this number we have to take negative integer. So we take this number also negative. So answer is minus 206. Next is minus 87 divided by what is equal to 87. This number is negative, this number is positive. Now 87 divided by what is equal to number itself? 87. So it is 1, right? 87 divided by 1 is equal to 87. But this 87 is positive. So we know that here we also have to take negative integer to make this answer positive. And we take this 1 as negative. So the answer is minus 1. We solve the next. E is dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 87. Now 1 is positive here and answer is negative, right? So one of the numbers should be negative. So here we take this number as negative, and we know that whenever we divide this number by 1, then we get the answer. It should be here also, right? So 87 divided by 1 is equal to 87, and we have this negative integer because we should make one of the integers negative to get the answer negative, and here 1 is positive. So we have to take this as negative. So answer is minus 87. Next is dash divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. And here it is negative. This number is positive. So we have to take this one as negative because here our answer is negative. So we know that whenever we divide the number by itself, then we have the answer 1. But here it is minus, so we have to take this as negative. So the answer is minus 48. Now next is 20 divided by what is equal to minus 2. Here we have the answer as negative, and here we have 20 positive. So we have to take this number negative to make this answer negative, right? And 20 divided by what is equal to 2. So you can do this way also. 20 divided by 2 is equal to what? So here we know that 10 2s are 20. So we can write like this, 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2, right? So here we get the answer 10, but this number should be negative, so answer is minus 10. Next is dash divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. Now it looks strange, but we can solve it. How? Here we have minus 3 as answer. So first of all we write minus 3 here. Now what divided by 4 is equal to 3? So here we can do multiplication of this. 4 3s are 12, right? So this is the answer. But here one of the numbers should be negative to get this answer negative. So we write this 12 as minus 12.